Hi everyone, this is Myles with Onyx Homes. Welcome to my newest listing, 25831 Via Lomas. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,100 square feet. It's got really nice vinyl flooring throughout, upgraded kitchen amenities, very spacious rooms, and it's in a great location. 15 minutes that way is Laguna Beach and Dana Point. 15 minutes that way is Irvine Spectrum. 10 minutes that way is Mission Viejo Mall. And there's some great restaurants around here too. You have Scratch Bakery, Roma Cucina. So feel free to reach out to me anytime to go schedule a tour, and let's go check it out.